Hi, I'm Julian Frost, N3JF, your Ham Radio Sensei. Onegaishimasu. 2022 marked the return of the Dayton Hamvention to the Greene County Fair and Expo Center in Xenia, Ohio. This was the 70th anniversary of the Hamvention and was labeled as the Reunion. Ham Radio Outlet was there, of course, and I walked the Hamvention halls to see what was there. In this video, I spoke with Mike Dishop from Alpha RF Systems and Ten-Tec.
Hello, I'm Mike Dishop. My call is November 8 Whiskey Fox, and I'm the owner of Alpha and Ten-Tec and Dishtronics, and we're here in Dayton, Ohio, where our headquarters is. And I would like to show you today the long-awaited Alpha 4040 tuner. There's been a lot of press on this thing over the years and a lot of expectation and waiting. So the news is we've got the tuner done. When we can get parts, we'll produce it. The bad news is we may be looking at another year or two lead time on parts. But it's 4 kilowatts automatic tuning, four antenna outputs, and the unique thing about this is it has a vector network analyzer that actually dynamically measures the impedance of your antenna, and then it calculates the match, and then implements the match in the components from lookup tables for the values of L and C that you need to have to do it. And it also has a dynamic resolver which will follow programmed memories and scan your VFO, follow your VFO. So all kinds of bells and whistles. We don't know the price yet. We had a target price of $5,500. I can't tell you what the price will be because we don't know where the components are going to be, if we can ever get components again. It's a real big problem for us and everybody in the industry. And so, followed up by that, this is our flagship auto-tuning amplifier, the 9500. You can see in the background what the panel looks like on that demo unit. This is it's not actually keying, it's just demoing, cycling through the lights to show you what it looks like off in the background where nobody can hurt themselves. So we can have the cover off here. You can see the build quality. This is 1500 watts, brick on the key, single 3CX 1500 A7 8877. Automatic stepper motor driven band switch, tuning capacitors. It memory tunes, it dynamically tunes, it follows your frequency, and you just pretty much set it up, plug it in, and forget it. We're building 100 of these right now. Fortunately, we do have parts back at the factory, and we're building 100 of these units right now here in Dayton in the new Alpha factory, which is up and running. And pretty much that's about that. Following that, we come to the 8410, which is my personal favorite in the Alpha lineup, and what I think is one of the best values in ham radio. It's two 4CX 1500s tetrodes, and for a 1500 watt amplifier, you've got more than twice the tube needed to do the job. And it's just about bulletproof. The AC inputs, it's 3.2 kVA input, so 70% efficiency. You can't even get close to overdriving the tubes or over dissipation. It's just about bulletproof. We've got a changed TR board in this model. It's a improved rubber mounting for the vacuum relay, so it's a little quieter than it was in previous years. And all around, it's just a real good, solid amplifier that just brings home the bacon. It's kind of a set and forget. It's my favorite one of the Alpha lineup. To me, it reminds me a lot of the 77, the two-hole 77 that everybody remembers and loves so much. And it just the reliability and just the raw power there. It doesn't take much drive, and it's just the power delivery is smooth. As you raise up, it doesn't go into gain compression. doesn't saturate, doesn't clip. It's just smooth and linear all the time, and just kind of does what you want to do. And followed by that, this is just a little accessory we sell, 2000 dummy load. It's an air-cooled dummy load that you can tune up into or use as a test instrument. It's got a port on the back that you can plug your oscilloscope up to, or monitoring instrument. If you want to, just see what your waveform coming out looks like. And that's pretty much the product lineup for Dayton here this year.